Yusef, thank you from David. Sis Lori ko, hello. Sis Lori, kumusta, kumusta? Sis Lori, hi Sis Lori from Hael. You're welcome, Barry. I'm here at your shorts. I don't know. I think, Yusef, you dropped my link because when I opened the link you dropped, I'm opening the link of my live. What's this? Yusef, you dropped my link, you know. You dropped the link of my live. A moment, I will go to... Now you are saying peace. Yusef, you are funny, you know. A moment, I will try to visit your channel, Yusef. Yusef is from Morocco, guys. He's a very supportive friend also. Hello, Ruby. How are you? Thank you so much. Happy Friday, my friend. Ruby Gems. 13 visitors in the house and 13 thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Yusef, I am here in your channel. How did you drop my my link, Yusef? Instead of your link, you know. Okay, I will be opening this one 2 days ago. Guys, please support the one I pinned. It's the latest It's the latest upload of Ogre coins. Yusef, I am here at your latest upload. A short tour in Riyadh neighborhood, Al Nakil Street, Morocco. Okay. I am like 11 here. I am watching your latest upload, Yusef. There you go. I am playing your latest upload here, Yusef. And perhaps I will drop this one. I don't know why. When I click the link you dropped, it's the link of my live. Okay. The UK has turned very cold today. Oh, salamat din ang Pom sa harang. Sis Pom from Sis Lori. David from Ruby Gems. Guys, are you done with Ogre coins? Can we support Yusef, guys? Yusef. Lori, the rat has been evicted. I catch after 3 days. It ate my sausage and gorgonzola cheese. He had to go. Did you get angry with the rat, David? Oh, poor rat. Guys, are you done with Ogre? The one I pinned? Now we are going to pin the latest upload of Yusef. There you go. Ruby, wanna buy a scarf? I was only going to hang myself with it. Sislo from Kakudapom. David Quality, hello. I'm from Colombia. Hola, David Quality. ¿Cómo estás? David Quality. Now you see, Ruby, how she's laughing there. Guys, thank you so much for dropping and for the support. Please support the one I pinned. This is from Yusef, the latest upload of Yusef. Guys, please support.